Today we're going to do our breathing. We're going to do a really fun song, one of my favorites from our classroom. And then I'm going to show you a really fun science experiment that you can do. And then, of course, we'll do our wish wells at the end. Today we're going to do our balloon breathing. So you can put your hands on top of your head just like this. And when you breathe in, you're going to blow up that balloon. So breathe in. Alright, let's do it again. Breathe in. One more time. Breathe in. Today's song we're going to do Drive My Car, and I know all of you know it, so let's sing it out loud. I'm gonna drive my car, yeah, I'm gonna drive my car, and the wheels turn fast. I'm gonna drive my car, yeah, I'm gonna drive my car, and the wheels turn fast, and the world goes past. I'm gonna drive my car, yeah, I'm gonna drive my car, and the wheels turn fast, and the world goes past. The lights go flash. I'm gonna drive my car, yeah, I'm gonna drive my car, and the wheels turn fast, and the world goes past, and the lights go flash, and I step on the gas, vroom, vroom, and I step on the gas, vroom, vroom. I'm gonna drive my car, yeah, I'm gonna drive my car, and the wheels turn fast, and the world goes past, and the lights go flash, and I step on the gas, vroom, vroom, and I step on the gas, vroom, vroom, and the engine blasts, boom, boom, and the engine blasts, boom, boom. I'm gonna drive my car, yeah, I'm gonna drive my car, and the wheels turn fast and the world goes past and the lights go flash, and I step on the gas, vroom, vroom, and I step on the gas, vroom, vroom, the engine blasts, boom, boom, and the engine blasts, boom, boom. Look out, don't crash. Oh. Whew. I'm gonna park my car. All right. That's one of my all-time favorite songs. I love singing that song with you guys. Today's experiment, I made a boat out of some tin foil. What does a boat need? You're right, it needs some water. So I have a big bowl of water. So I'm going to put my boat right here in my water. And it floats right up there on top. I have some coins here. I have some dimes, I have a penny, some quarters, a nickel, some coins. I'm going to see how many coins it takes for my boat to sink all the way down to the bottom. So I'm going to make a prediction. The word prediction means I'm going to make a guess. So prediction means guess. I'm going to make a prediction that 10 coins are going to sink my boat. So let's investigate. Help me count out 10 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did my boat sink down to the bottom? Not yet, it's still floating around on top. So that means my prediction was wrong and we need more coins. So we have 10 in there and I have more coins. Help me count. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, getting a little lower, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh my goodness, it took 24 coins. So this says my actual answer after investigating, and it was 24. 24 coins. Maybe you can try this at home, and you can make your own boats, and you can try buttons, you can try coins, you can try beads, you can try anything kind of little that you could put in your boat and see how many it takes to sink your boat. Make sure you post pictures and let me know about your experiments. So now we're going to think of everyone we want to wish well. Think, 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 think. Think hard in your brain. All right. Bring all of those people down to your hearts. We wish you well. We wish you well. All through the day today. We wish you well. Bye, friends, and I hope you have a wonderful day today.